ಒಂದನೊಂದೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜನಿದ್ದನು. ಊರ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಯ ಬೆಳಕಾಗೆ ಇದ್ದನು. ಜನಕ್ಕಾಗೆ ಕನಸ ಕೋಟೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ. ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಒತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ಟನು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನದೆನ್ನುವ ಆಸೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟನು. ಅವನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಗ. ಅಳಿಯದು ಹೆಸರು ನೂರು ಯುಗ. ಜನರೇ ಮೆಚ್ಚಿದ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ. ಒಂದು ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಕಥೆ, ಮುತ್ತು ರಾಜನ ಕಥೆ. ನೀ ಹೋಗೋ ದಾರಿಗೆ ಹೂ ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ಕಥೆ. ನೀ ನಾಳೆ ನಂಬಿ ಬದುಕೋ ಕಂದ. ಯುವರಾಜ ನೀನು, ರಾಜವಂಶದವನು. ಒಳ್ಳೆತನ ಇರುವ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆಯವನು. ಕಾದರು ನೋಡಲು ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖ. ತಿಳಿಯೋ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ. ಹೋಗವ ಬಿಟ್ಟವ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ.
Ramurthy Anna, wishing you many happy returns of the day on your 80th birthday. We pray that Swami bless you in this wonderful journey, and we also promise that we, the youngsters of this mission, will continue and stick to this path of selflessness and fearlessness and shamelessness. You are always an inspiration to all of us.
Saravana, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Whenever I think of you, I always remember the devotion of Hanuman towards his Lord, Sri Rama. You are an exemplary devotee of this Kali Yuga. I wish, if not Sri Madhusudan Sai, I be Sri B.N. Narsimurthy.
Saravana, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Swami, you and many elders have given many things, and you have set exemplary paths to follow. We promise you that we are going to follow in our daily life. Thank you, Anna.
Saramurthy Anna, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are a philosopher, a poet, a guide, a loving father and a brother, and more importantly, an inspiration to thousands of students. We are fortunate enough for having you as our mentor to show the path of love and service to the country and the whole world. You are the very embodiment of the dictum Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thank you, Anna, for all the love and wisdom that you have shared with all of us, and for showing the path to walk and tread on.
Happy birthday, Murthy Anna!